Welcome students. This is the first lecture on graph theory. Let us begin with definition. A graph G consists of a set of objects called vertices and another set called edges, with each edge ek is identified with an unordered pair Vij of vertices. The vertices Vij are called the end vertices of ek. In this picture, you can see the vertices V1, V2, V3, etc. and the edges E1, E2, E3, etc. Now we have to know the basic definition. First, we look into null graph. A graph G is said to be null graph if it has no edge, i.e., the edge set is a null set. In this picture, you can see 6 vertices, but there is no edges. This type of graph is called null graph. Also note that there is no possibility of a graph with no vertices. Now, we look into the definition of loop. In a graph G, an edge is said to be loop if the end vertices of the edge is same. In this picture, you can see a loop E5. Now, we look into the definition of parallel edge. In a graph G, the edges ek and el are said to be parallel if they have same pair Vs of end vertices. In this picture, you can see parallel edges E4 and E6. Now, please look into the definition of simple graph. A graph G is said to be a simple graph if it has neither parallel edges nor loops. This is an example of simple graph. In this graph, there is no parallel edges and loops. You can note down these definitions. If you have any query regarding this explanation, you can write down in the comments section.